Yamaha has officially launched the all-new XMAX 300 for the Brazilian market, aiming to set a new benchmark in the midsize scooter category. Positioned as an upgrade from the recently updated XMAX 250, the new XMAX 300 brings a combination of enhanced performance, cutting-edge technology, and modern styling. With this launch, Yamaha targets a commanding 70% share of Brazil's midsize scooter market, and the new model is expected to arrive in dealerships across the country starting in August 2025. At first glance, the XMAX 300 closely resembles the 250 in terms of design. However, it follows the European version introduced in 2022, featuring refined aesthetics and aerodynamic lines. The most notable upgrade lies in its engine. The scooter now boasts a 292 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine that delivers 27.9 horsepower at 7,250 RPM, and a torque of 2.9 kgfm at 5,750 RPM. These figures represent a significant improvement, 5.1 horsepower and 0.4 kgfm more than the XMAX 250, promising smoother acceleration and better highway performance. Technology is another major highlight of the XMAX 300. The scooter features a dual-screen setup combining an LCD and a 4.2-inch TFT display, placed side by side for a sleek and functional dashboard. Riders can pair their smartphones via Bluetooth, using the Yamaha Motorcycle Connect app, allowing access to real-time navigation through the Garmin Street Cross app. The TFT screen also supports caller ID, message notifications, and music control, making the riding experience more connected than ever. Yamaha has also included premium features as standard. These include a proximity key system, USB Type-C charging port, full LED lighting, traction control, and an electrically adjustable windshield, features typically found in higher-end models. For a smooth and controlled ride, the front suspension uses a telescopic fork with 110 mm of travel, while the rear offers 92 mm. The braking system includes ABS on both wheels, with 267 mm and 245 mm hydraulic disc brakes at the front and rear respectively. The scooter rides on 120/70 15 front and 140/70 14 rear wheels, offering both stability and agility in urban and highway conditions. Buyers can choose from 3 elegant color options: Magma Brown with black wheels, X-Black with blue wheels, and Aura Gray with gold wheels. Production will begin in Manaus, AM, in July, with a suggested retail price of 37,990 Brazilian reals, excluding freight and insurance. Yamaha is also offering a 4-year warranty and fixed-price service, adding extra value for Brazilian consumers. With its blend of power, technology, and comfort, the new Yamaha XMAX 300 is set to redefine the midsize scooter market in Brazil.